Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a YouTube video in your PowerPoint presentation. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how. And yeah, let's start. Let me show you how to do it. So let's say we wanna type some text here. Hi, my name is Shrek, like this. And choose where you want to add this video. Now if you want to insert, if you want to add a video, just click on insert this in the menu here, insert, and now as you can see we have this option video, and we have an arrow below it. Just click on it, and for here we have two options: to add the video from our PC or to add the video from our browser. Yeah, so we want to add the video from our YouTube, right? Click on online video, and from here you can search automatically from YouTube. And let's say we wanna search for oh my god, yeah, here it is. We can add it. If you just choose it, this video that you want to add, click on it, insert, wait a few seconds, and now our video is here. We can change the place, of course. We can add it here, and yeah, actually that's it. And when we press F5, or actually when we press this button here, as you can see now, when we click on the video, wait, why isn't it working? We click on the video, now the video is playing, right? So that was how to add a video on your PowerPoint presentation. It was easy and simple. It's not complicated. Even a boomer can do it. So yeah, if you have some questions, if you have some problems, you can, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I will try to respond. I will try to reply in a few days if I can. So yep, that was it. See you next video. Bye.